And we will officially start the function, the book launch of Wheels of Wish by the writer Jiska Chopra. We welcome you here, ma'am, on behalf of to call on stage to join the celebrity guest of this evening, Jiska Chopra. Can we have a huge round of applause for Devendra Vishal Jaiswal, co-founder Story Mirror, to please join us on stage. Thank you for joining us, sir. With this, can we have a huge round of applause for Manisha Sahu? I think she's here on a very beautiful sari, the co-founder of Story Mirror. With this, I would also like to invite on stage none other than Pallav Swaroop Bhatnagar, the creative head of Story Mirror. And last, Datta Rose. डिस्कस कर रहा था कि वी हैव डेफिनेटली डन समथिंग गुड जिसका मैम की कल की शाम भी हमारे लिए बहुत प्राउड की थी, क्योंकि कल हर कोई सोशल मीडिया में लिख रहा था बुरा ना मानो कोहली है, वी विन, एंड टुडे आल्सो वी आर डूइंग समथिंग वेरी नाइस, स्टोरी मिरर. कुछ लोग तो जानते हैं कि व्हाट अ स्टोरी मिरर इज ऑल अबाउट, बट फॉर द न्यू पीपल, स्टोरी मिरर इज अ क्रिएटिव इकोसिस्टम. अगर आप एक राइटर हैं, अगर आप एक लिरिसिस्ट हैं, अगर आप एक पेंटर हैं, अगर आपके अंदर कोई भी क्रिएटिविटी है, इज द प्लेटफॉर्म. Story Mirror is the only platform which gives highest royalty to writers. It's a 30%. When I was just having a discussion, I was myself surprised. I think इस बात के लिए Story Mirror के लिए. And last but not the least, just me, one of the budding writer. तो वो जहाँ भी किसी भी publication के पास जाता था, तो उसने मुझे ये बताया कि उनको बहुत सारे खुद पैसे देने पड़ते थे अपनी. Story Mirror is the platform जहां पर राइटर से एक भी रुपया नहीं लिया जाता है. So I think we all should clap. Moving forward with Mr. Devendra Vishal Jaiswal, co-founder of Story Mirror. Ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much. Good evening, friends. It is an honor and pleasure for us that it has received from all of you has motivated us to think bigger each and every day. But I would definitely like to talk about the man of this evening, Vibhu Datta Rao, the author of Wheels of Wish. It was around the time when I was thinking to launch a Story Mirror. I came across with Vibhu and we got talking about the idea of the Story Mirror. So when he shared about his big writing skill and the book, how deeply he felt for literature, and it was like deja vu for me. That talk with Vibhu gave me strength to start a Story Mirror. He was basically a motivator for a Story Mirror, and thank you very much. It is an extremely proud moment for me today. I take this opportunity to thank my friends, family members, parents, who constantly motivate me to keep going despite of all hurdles in this journey. Especially my sister-in-law Leena, who inspired me to live my dream that we are seeking today as a Story Mirror. She is here only. And last but not least, my wife Mona. Unfortunately, she is not here today, but who is the ultimate driving force for me. Thank you, Tiska. Be with us and associate with the Story Mirror. And this is the start, I hope, and we have a long way to go. And giving us her time today. On that note, let me introduce to the man you are waiting to hear, the author of Wheels of Wish, my friend Vibhu Datta Rao. A long round of applause.
Alright, the name of the ma'am was Mona, और Indian film industry में भी villains के लिए driving force was the name Mona. Alright, jokes apart, because it's all about writing, it's all about words. Before I call the man himself, the writer of the book, have all of you attention on this screen here. Yes, we are going to show you a special video. Can we have the video? उन्हें पढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता था और नॉर्मल जैसे हर किसी की, और उनको लगा कि नहीं, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ये लिखनी चाहिए, और कैसे उन्हें स्टोरी मिरर से मुलाकात हुई. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, to reveal everything, please put your hands together for none other than the writer of this evening, Vibhu Datta.
Sloka that you had just a few minutes back, a few seconds back rather I would say. That means I pray to Sun, the day maker, destroyer of all sins, the enemy of darkness. I really bowed down my head before the Lord Surya, or Sun God, who was the inspiring force behind this book, Wheels of Wish. And before I start, I would like to thank Tiska Chopra for being kind to attend this function. And I would like to thank my wife, Manisha Sahu, whose help has been tremendous in this journey. I would like to thank my publisher, Devendra Jaiswal, Pallab Swarup Bhatnagar, creative head, who helped in designing a lot of things. I'd like to thank all of you, extinguished journalists who have come, who have spent, who have just given their time to this occasion. I would like to thank all of you from bottom of my heart. Actually, I am not able to find right words to explain. I am a bit emotional right now because this journey was something bit different. I never felt that I can write a book and that will be visible in this form. Thank you all. And I would like to thank all those people who are not present here, who have been instrumental in designing this book and helping me guiding this book. Because I remember there are moments when I stood many people, many of my colleagues lunchtime, because I was giving them a bit of pieces of the stories. I was telling them, okay, some guys was doing the middle part, some guys are doing the third part, like this way. I just disturbed many of the guys. So I would like to thank all of you who have been tortured by me. I would like to thank my parents and all those good well-wishers without whom I would not have been standing in front of you right now. Thank you all. That life is a story, then each and every one of us is a storyteller. Believe me, each and every one of us is a storyteller. Writer is just someone who just glorifies that story by some choice of words. My writing of the book goes back to the year 2014 when my wife Lisa, her nickname is Lisa, Manisha Sahu, people know him by Manisha Sahu. For me, she's Lisa. She told me a story about a child who lost his father before opening his eyes. The story was a bit intriguing. Means I just felt very nostalgic about the story, or there is some thought process behind the story which kept me engaged. And for 3-4 days, I was not able to think anything other than the story. I don't remember how exactly it happened, but I just put down few lines on that story. And accidentally I put that story in some of my social media platforms. And to my surprise, some of my close friends and even many those who are not very familiar with me, they called me and appreciated for that story. I felt that if I can write a short story, why not write a book this time? And that is how Wheels of Wish was born. I wanted to give a backdrop to Odisha because my native place is Odisha. From my accent, it is visible that I am from Odisha. There are Odisha, Bengalis and Assamese. This accent is natural. You can predict. Even though I have tried a lot to change that accent, but natural is natural. So that time I wanted to build a story with backdrop in Odisha, backdrop from Odisha, and some backdrop from investment banking because I am from investment banking domain. I am not a very good communicator, but when you sit down and try, I believe that writers do not write stories. The story chooses writer to get it written. Thank you.
मुझे वो कैरेक्टर्स बातचीत कर रही हैं और लीजा जी सोचेंगे रात के 4 बजे किससे बातचीत कर रहे हैं. I think what a fantastic speech.
Thank you so much for having me here. It's my honor and privilege to be here this evening. Vibhu, congratulations. And Devendra and Pallav and Manisha, to you too. Such a fantastic idea, Story Mirror. I come from writers. My granduncle is the late Khushwant Singh. I'm sure you're familiar with his work. But also, not as famous as him is my husband, who's also written 2 books. My father is a writer. I myself have written a book, not fiction, it's non-fiction. It's called Acting Smart. But this is not about us and me. However, I'm telling you this because I know how difficult it is for authors to get published. When my husband, who's a professional, who's a airline captain, he's a commercial pilot with Air India, he flies internationally. he decided about 10, 12 years back that he wanted to become a writer. And from then it was so confusing for both of us because we really didn't know if he can do it, whether he can do it. We all knew he was very entertaining at parties, he could tell really good stories. But we didn't know if there is actually going to translate into being able to write something. And then he started doing courses online and so on and so forth. And then came this big idea that he had about 12 stories. We didn't know where to publish it and who was going to publish it for him. So we went into the idea of thinking, okay, should we publish it ourselves? Should we self-publish? Should we find a way? So there was a whole lot of confusion. And so this is actually saying that Story Mirror is such a great idea because there is a whole lot of confusion for young aspiring authors and creatives of all sorts, whether it's poetry or prose or short stories or long stories. People don't know where to get their stories published. And I do know when Vibhu was saying that he was crying at 4 o'clock in the morning, my husband, who's 6 foot tall and a big pilot, you know, looks quite amazing. Suddenly in the middle of his own stories, he starts crying. And I'm like, okay, you know, that's okay, control yourself. But you know how writers are, they're very moved by their characters and by the story. So it's an urge. I think it's an uncontrollable urge. It's like you have to go to the bathroom, you have to tell a story. If it's coming from inside you, you just have to tell it. And so Story Mirror is such a fabulous idea because it's going to allow a lot of people to actually, then the merit of the story will decide where it goes. But that release that you get by telling the story will happen. So congratulations to you and a huge round of applause for all you guys. It's a great idea. The second thing, Wheels of Wish, it's a fabulous story about, it also goes into how the Sun Temple at Konark was built and what was the great mathematical and scientific genius that went into it. Plus it's a thriller, like a murder mystery that connects all of that and through the ages, through the generations. So Vibhu, congratulations on that. It's a vast achievement, big scope of writing your very first novel. You could have easily written a love story in a Mumbai local, but you didn't do that. You went into the 13th century. So that's fabulous. Personally, I believe that this is something which I'm just leaving you with a thought. It's my, it's an idea which I've been exploring for a while. That we all love stories. Everyone, you know, I'd like to say Indians love stories, but I think everyone in the world loves stories. The important thing is that when you get up in the morning, you start telling yourself a story. And that story that you tell is your own life story. You tell yourself, I can do this, I can't do that, I tried this, it failed, da 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 da. You keep on telling yourself a story. You tell yourself a story, and that's the story that becomes your reality. So be very careful and very watchful what story you're telling to yourself in your own head, which no one else can hear, but your brain and your mind and your life can hear the story that you're telling yourself. So please tell yourself, like Vibhu and Story Mirror, the story that it can be done, it will be done, and if you have a story, Story Mirror is the place, like Vibhu, to write that
story. What a meaningful people also to just help everybody so that everybody can come here and review.
Arrange remind himself the
Yes, and I really love, there was a one very small child, she specially came to click the photo of Triska Ma'am here. So I request once more, all the print and electronic media are here, and I think we all are here also. So with a countdown from 3 to 1, ladies and gentlemen, this is really a proud moment for Story Mirror, for Vibhu Datta Raut and the complete team, and for everybody else, because we are launching Wheels of Wish Music.
plot took itself 6 months. Then after that writing, then I wanted not just normal chick lit stories, college going love stories. And I had to read almost 100 books in a span of 6 months. And after that I built a set of vocabulary that is required for to write a suspense thriller. So it is, if you ask me a direct question, how much time? It is 1.5 years.
And the second is, as your professor has given the full right to tell about the stories, could you tell me something which you have not discussed to any of your friends or families? Which part? Now you want to reveal right now.
Towards end of this novel, there is something that I have written that the making of Wheels of Wish. There are 4 days I have mentioned. This probably nobody else knows except 2-3 guys who have read the last part. Because last part I am not, even Devin doesn't know. I don't think he knows. Because I have kept it secret. From my wife even, she doesn't know. Only 3 guys who are my editor, they know that making of Wheels of Wish. That I have revealed, that what was that moment that happened to me, and I felt that if you want, there is a saying in Alchemist, like if you want something so desperately, then whole world conspires to let it happen for you. I really felt for that. I was able to know certain things beforehand. Means it is something weird, you will say. Sometimes one of my friends is not here, I could not see. His name is Vikas Misra. But many such incidents happened over a period of time that I was able to predict the events. Even I had written some lines before it was able to happen. So it is you can say a divine feeling. Yes, it is a divine feeling, and probably Lord Surya was with me during my writing. Best. And 1200 people and 12 years. No other temple was built with such a magnanimous or grandeur. We can say that there is no other temple which holds that grandeur that Konark temple or some temple has.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I'm friend from Hindustan Times. Sir, you had told us that you're an investment banker, and now
I have told in my speech as well. You just start writing. Character will start helping you. You may not have to. Character will definitely help, I guarantee. And they will help you so fast that you will start feeling them. Means like you will visualize the split personality within you. 5-6 personalities are talking to you. You will realize that spirit. And that is natural. That is natural to human being. We need to just explore. For writing, it was my story was, the title of my novel was 4 Direction. It was chick lit love stories. So then it is transferred to mythology. So it was no, purposefully I have not written that. It just happened naturally.
Alright, is there anybody who wanted to ask any question from the media? Yeah, okay, done. Okay, with this, I would like to thank everybody, and the book is available in Amazon, and I just came to know that book is also available at the entrance. You can purchase the book from there, and you can also get the signature. For everybody for joining us, and sir, this was not in a script, but I want you to come and say thank you to everybody. Yeah.
I think all media will go. Thank you very much. And after that, we will discuss. Okay? Thank you.
All right. I will.
कुछ कैमरे में बोल दे ताकि टीवी सेट पे लोग देखें आपको कि आपने उसकी तारीफ में कितनी कसीदे पढ़े हैं.
इवेंट का अनुभव अगर आप शेयर कर सकें कैमरा.
आई एम सो डिलाइटेड टू बी हियर. स्टोरी मिरर जो कि एक पोर्टल है जहाँ पे यंग राइटर्स और ओल्ड राइटर्स और एनी राइटर्स, पोएट्री, प्रोज, बडिंग राइटर्स अपनी कला का प्रदर्शन कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स अ फैंटास्टिक प्लेटफॉर्म, स्टोरी मिरर. एंड उनकी पहली किताब है व्हील्स ऑफ विश, जो कि एक अक्रॉस 3 टाइम पीरियड्स एक मर्डर मिस्ट्री है जो कि शुरू हुई सन 13,000 में और ख़त्म होती है 2008 में। उसमें मैथमेटिक्स, साइंस, कोणार्क टेम्पल कैसे बना वगैरह वगैरह सब कुछ है। तो मेरा अनुभव बहुत ही अच्छा रहा एंड आई एम रियली डिलाइटेड टू बी हियर।
आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे, जिस तरह से आज का जो दौर देखा जा रहा है कि लोग नेट से जुड़े रहते हैं, व्हाट्सएप पे बिजी रहते हैं, इंटरनेट के दौर में आपको लगता है कि इस किताब को उतनी प्रसिद्धि मिलेगी जितनी मिलनी चाहिए?
नंबर्स और सेल्स फिगर्स ये बताते हैं कि किताबें पहले से ज़्यादा बिक रही हैं। शायद किंडल या नुक पे बिक रही हैं, पर बिक रही हैं क्योंकि कहानियाँ इंसान की सबसे बड़ी ज़रूरत है। जब खाना पीना मिल जाता है और आराम मिल जाता है, उसके बाद इंसान कहानी ही ढूंढता है, चाहे वो दादाजी से ढूंढे या किंडल से ढूंढे, नुक से ढूंढे या अपने दोस्तों से ढूंढे या किताबों से ढूंढे या कार्टून्स के थ्रू ढूंढे, पर कहानियों की हमें ज़रूरत है क्योंकि वो हमारे दिमाग को ग्रो करती हैं। तो आई डोंट थिंक ये ज़रूरत कभी ख़त्म होने वाली है।
तो आपको लगता है कि जो किताब की जो कीमत है थोड़ी और कमी होनी चाहिए ताकि आम आदमी तक पहुंच सकता हो?
आई थिंक बाकी चीज़ों की कीमत के हिसाब से इस किताब की कीमत बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है। आपके 2 कप कॉफ़ी के हिसाब